Hey everyone. So 10 days ago, I decided to make a sourdough starter. And I began with a jar with some flour and water. And every day I would continue to feed it. It slowly began to create some bubbles and began to grow. It took several days for it to respond, but now it started to grow really quickly and has matured. And as you can see, I'm able to now bake a nice loaf of sourdough bread with it. So what I do now is I just keep a small amount of it in the refrigerator, and when I need to bake bread, I'll take it out, give it some flour and water, and in several hours it's ready to go to make another batch of dough. I'll leave the playlist at the end just so that you can see each day's progress. I hope you enjoyed these videos, and thanks always for following. Like and subscribe if you like the video.